Hola guys, my name is Jose. I'm your bartender for tonight, and this night we're making the Oaxaca Old Fashioned. Just kidding. It was just me, Stan the bartender. Now the Oaxaca Old Fashioned is a modern twist on a classic cocktail, the Old Fashioned of course, which everybody knows. But it's not just swapping out the bourbon for a mezcal or a tequila, it's building the cocktail from the ground up, so swapping out everything and making it a new cocktail. It was created in 2007 by a guy named Phil Ward, and it was one of the first instances of using mezcal in a cocktail. From this point on, every cocktail bar had a bottle of mezcal on their shelves. It got used way more in different kind of cocktails. Let's make it. Now this is a stirring drink, so we're gonna need our stirring glass. We're gonna start off with a reposado tequila. We use a reposado tequila for its more rounded and smooth flavor, instead of say a blanco tequila. And next up, we're gonna use a mezcal. Use a really smoky mezcal because you're not using a lot. It's gonna take this cocktail to the next level. We're doing 15 milliliters of mezcal. Next up, we're gonna need agave nectar, but we're just gonna need 2 bar spoons. To finish this up, we're gonna need 2-3 dashes of Angostura bitters. Now we fill this up with ice and we stir. Now the tequila and the mezcal are both from Mexico. The tequila is made with at least 50% blue agave, and the mezcal is just an agave spirit in general, usually from the Oaxacan region. And the mezcal is way smokier than the tequila, so that's why we just use a little bit of it. We're gonna serve this in a rocks glass, some fresh ice cubes, and then we strain. For the garnish, we're gonna need an orange peel, but instead of just peeling it, we're gonna use this zester, and we're gonna make a nice lint of orange peel. I don't know, go around once, twice, 2.5 times, sure. Make a nice nest and put it on the side. All right, it's time to taste. It's nice, it's sweet, it's not too tequila-ish, but it has that smoke from the mezcal. And the orange gives a nice fruity nose. And the agave nectar just adds the sweetness you miss in a tequila. I think it's great. This Mexican cocktail gets the Mexican Jose approval. I want to thank you all very much for watching. Please like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to support us, and you can follow me on Instagram at Stan the Bartender. Adios.